We just found an artificial intelligence trading indicator that learns from its previous performance. Think about it, this tool can improve its signals based on the data it has collected in the past. How crazy is that? On top of that, it is super easy to follow and it is suitable for all markets and time frames. In this short video, we will discuss how this magic indicator works as well as give you our most effective strategy with it. Traders, if you're enjoying the content, be sure to leave a like for this video. Also, subscribe to our channel for more high-quality trading content in the future. So, how can we add this indicator to our chart? Well, first you need to log into TradingView and open the charts. Navigate to the Indicators menu and search for Machine Learning. Be sure to select this indicator created by J.D. Horty. Machine learning is a classification algorithm capable of categorizing historical data from a multidimensional feature space. This indicator demonstrates how Lorentzian classification can also be used to predict the direction of future price movements, when used as the distance metric for a novel implementation of an approximate nearest neighbors algorithm. In physics, Lorentzian space is perhaps best known for its role in describing the curvature of spacetime in Einstein's theory of general relativity. Interestingly, however, this abstract concept from theoretical physics also has tangible real-world applications in trading. We will not go into depth about how this theory actually works, otherwise this video will be too long. Instead of that, let's cover the key features of the indicator. First, let's start with these numbers that you can see on each candle bar. These are the categories the model assigns to each candle. Basically, more positive numbers correspond to more bullish sentiment in the market, whereas more negative numbers indicate more bearish sentiment. Sequential patterns of these numbers can be used to help identify fractals and to determine true inflection points. Based on these patterns, the indicator finds buy and sell entry points, which is the second part of the tool. The intensity of these signals is shown by lowering or raising the opacity of labels. The third part of this indicator is the moving average. This is an estimate based on kernel regression using a rational quadratic kernel. It serves as additional confirmation of the model's predictions. The table you can see in the upper right corner is the last piece of this indicator. This basic readout displays real-time trade stats for the selected amount of bars. The default is 2000 bars. We can see that the win ratio on Ethereum is 83.6% out of 55 trades. Although this indicator can be quite accurate, we shouldn't rely on it blindly. In order to prevent false signals, we need to build a solid system of 3 indicators. So click on the indicators one more time and search for an exponential moving average. Once you've installed it on the chart, access its settings and change its length to 200 as well as the color to white. For the next indicator, add Laguerre RSI. Make sure to select this one created by Kvanch Uzbiljic. After you've enabled it, navigate to Settings and change the line colors in the Styles section. Now let's break down the logic behind this strategy. When looking to buy, we need to have the following criteria met. First, the price must be closed above the EMA. This signals a long-term uptrend. Second, the machine learning indicator needs to issue a signal to buy. Lastly, at the time such a signal is given, the Laguerre RSI blue line must cross the lower green band to the upside. The idea is simple, we want to buy when a security is trending upwards. At the same time, we protect ourselves from an overbought market by using the Laguerre RSI. Once these conditions are met, place an order to buy at the close of the price bar. Exit a profitable trade once the indicator line turns red. Here's another example. Watch how the price closes above the exponential moving average. The indicator finds the best possible price for entering a buy trade. At the same time, the Laguerre RSI crossed the green band to the upside. For short entries, the following must be met. First, make sure to sell only when the price is lower than the exponential moving average. Second, wait for a sell signal from the machine learning indicator. Third, at the time the signal is given, the Laguerre RSI must cross the upper red line to the downside. Remember, this must happen no sooner or later than when the machine learning indicator finds an entry. Place a sell order at the close of the price bar and exit a winning short trade once the line turns green. Let us give you one more example so that you fully understand the strategy. So, here we have the price moving below the EMA. As we already know, this signals a downtrend. Watch how both indicators confirm a sell entry. Traders, we highly urge you to follow the rules we just showed you. Money management is also crucial. You can have the best strategy in the world with the highest win rate. However, if your money management is poor, you will slowly blow up your trading account. By exiting a winning trade in the way we showed you, you have the opportunity to win big. It certainly won't happen every time. Sometimes your wins will be small. But when you do catch a good trade, that's when the majority of profits will be made. Traders, if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. You can use this strategy on lower time frames as well. Let's actually take a look at how well it would work on the 5 minutes chart. First thing we notice, the indicator displays a win ratio of 67.9% on this time frame. However, this is without combination of tools we've added. We believe the win ratio of the current strategy is much higher. You can expect 8 trades out of 10 to be profitable. You can see for yourself that these signals are indeed very accurate. Let us know in the comments what you think about this indicator. If you have some good ideas on how to use it in a different way, please share them with us.